Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, today is December 18th. It's about 35 degrees out, and I've just finished cleaning up the yard because if anybody locally has been watching the weather, supposedly we're going to get the first big snowstorm this afternoon. Well, they say big, 4 to 7, something like that. But compared to what we have now, I figured I'd give you just a quick look around. I've done this before, but I like to keep a record. Like I say, today's December 18th. We've really had almost nothing for snow this year. I'll be optimistic though. I did put the snow plow on, just in case. Sometimes when the snow plows go down the street, they leave quite a wing row right across the driveway, so I'll at least plow that much. But the dooryard itself is not very frozen, so I'm not going to do a big cleanup job, that's for sure, because the snow plow will probably just act like a bulldozer, and I don't need that. So I'll just do a quick cleanup, and then Linda, she'll probably want to feed the deer. So I'll have to do snowblower path down through here so that she can have a little space down there to do that. Other than that, bring it on. We're ready for winter. Not that bad up here though, Hell, this is, like I said, December 18th. By March, well, earlier than that, February, up here in Maine, we start looking forward to spring. And we've had early springs before. But I'm hoping that I'm already looking forward to April, get back up to camp. So anyway, thanks for coming along, and I'm going to continue this video after the snowstorm. Okay, so here we are, back again. It's the 19th of December. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Probably about 23 degrees out. Doesn't look like we got that much snow. I think in the driveway. Maybe 4 inches. Out to the road. That's usually where we get the most, obviously, because the snow plows go by. It's still snowing lightly. They're saying we're going to have sun by this afternoon. Oh yeah, you can see here by the road. That's usually where I got to clean up the most. It's Sunday. And be here by the road. Yeah, probably got 6.5. Not too bad. Maybe a little closer to the road there might be 8. But hey, this ain't too bad. Not too bad for first snow. Hopefully the sun does come out. We'll clean it all up this afternoon. Truck looks a little cold sitting there, but I always warm it up before I use it. And you can see out back, everything's a winter wonderland. Oh look, now we got all the turkeys back. And they're all looking for food. I suppose I better throw some out for them. Here they come. They see me, so they think we're going to get fed. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll be back as soon as the sun comes out. Okay, so it looks like the snow has stopped. Now I guess it's time to clean up. Now the work begins. So too the backyard. I'm not sure if you could see all the tracks. Had a humongous amount of turkeys out back here, but they're gone now. The deck seems to be pretty covered. Alright, so I'll start the cleanup and we'll see the results later. Not sure if you can see this, but the dirt that's there, and even where I shoveled, still pretty soft. So for the most part, I'm just going to do the edge, and the rest will have to pack down and dry out and get hard. And it's not all fun and games. First thing that has to be done is the truck has to be cleared off. You know, some of it can be a pain in the ass. It's not all just riding your ass around plowing snow. So that's the truck cleaned off. I'll turn you for a little more side view here. Back dragging is the best way to do it because it doesn't dig in so much. I'm not going to try to plow anymore because like I said, the ground is so soft, I'd just be digging in. So anyway, thanks for coming along. I'll give you one more shot of the back after I'm done doing a little snow blowing. Alright, so I'm back again. That took about a half an hour, but I got the snow blowing done. Out to where a little round circle out there. She'll take and throw some deer food there, and the deer will be all happy. And then of course a little walkway up here, and then out to the deck. There. So I guess that concludes this video for the 19th of December. It has warmed up. It's probably about 35 now. So anyway, if you like watching this old timer shovel all this snow and move the snow and get out and have Maine winter fun, give me a like, give me a subscribe, you know. And don't forget, teenagers can actually do this work too. It's not just seniors. Teenagers are able to do this. So anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.